pythonlinks.info has the best Python videos from the best conferences organized as a tree of categories and ranked by upvotes versus total votes. So let's just take a look at this tree of categories. We'll swipe down into the tree. Here's a machine learning, data science, multiple CPUs. This is multi-threading, multi-processing, distributed systems, Python the organization, and the corporation, Python skills development, and Python software. And it's a tree, so each of these categories has additional categories underneath it. So let's go back up to the root. You can see that these are ranked by upvotes versus total votes. So all of these have a perfect score because they don't have any downvotes. These are the talks at the root of the tree. They're the best talks overall. And let's compare that to the PyCon USA 2018 YouTube channel. There we can sort by most popular, date added oldest, or date added newest. So date added oldest and newest, they're basically all added within 2 days after the conference. So that doesn't mean much. And most popular just means that the ones which have been seen the most continue to be seen the most. Much better to rank technical videos by upvotes versus total votes. Okay, so let's just dig into this tree because it's quite a large tree. Here in the upper left you can see where we are. The best Python videos, Python software, web development, talks about Django, and taking Django async. So there are a number of Django talks already. We can swipe left and right to see the other Django talks. Very soon DjangoCon USA will be out, at which point the branch of the tree will be much larger. And we can swipe up to see that they're part of talks about Django, and that's part about web development talks, and that's part of Python software talks, and that takes us into the root. Okay, so carrying on our tour, here we have the conferences and channels. And again, let's just go into PyCon USA. And here we can see the 10 best talks at PyCon USA, but we can also, if we want to, we can search. So when we do a search, we can see all of the different talks at PyCon USA. We can see what their votes are according to the different categories. So when a new conference comes out, this is a good way to see what talks are of interest to you. We could also do a search on DevOps. Typically, none of the talks say that they're a DevOps talk, but there is a category called DevOps, and there are people who are interested in that stuff under distributed systems. And here we can see the 10 best talks on DevOps. That's using the best view, so that's the best for the whole branch of the tree. We also have a list view. So here you can see what's under this particular category. I guess this is right close to the leaves, so nothing that exciting. But as you go up, you'll see that there are more categories and fewer talks. When you get to the root of the tree, it's like all categories. So this is an easier way, a way to browse around the tree, as opposed to you can go to the best and see the best talks in any branch of the tree. What's really important is that everyone vote. It's very important that everyone vote, otherwise we end up with people like Donald Trump in office. And you can vote, or if you're not registered, you can subscribe. And when you subscribe, you can either subscribe with Google, or you can, if you value your privacy, you can just sign up locally. It's your choice. If you subscribe with Google, let's go back here. If you subscribe with Google, you get to choose your account. And Google gives me the information, but doesn't give me GDPR permission. So you have to give me GDPR permission. If you check the other two options, that would help support this site. If you like the site, you go ahead and submit it, and it'll take you back to the video. Okay, so there we have the video. Search polls. So everyone asks how this compares to pyvideo.org. Pyvideo.org was very powerful. If you look at their events page, in 2016 they had 192 annual conferences scheduled, plus a bunch of local meetups. In 2017 it was down, and this year I'm sad to say they only have 5 regular conferences indexed. So they have a huge amount of conferences, but the problem is you can't tell which is the best one. So they have these tags. Kind of an awful lot of tags, tough to see which ones are related. And let's look at one of these categories, astronomy. That's always fun. 10 videos in astronomy. But again, they don't have upvotes versus downvotes, so you can't tell which are the best ones. Much better to go to PyVideo pythonlinks.info, where you can only see what the best ones are in each category, but there's a very large number of categories to choose from. Let's see, let's go back to the list view. And here we have the channel categories. We'll go about this website, and you can go into the introductory video, or you can see, introductory video, where is it? About this website, contact information. There you go. You can just search for contact information. That's easier. So I invite you to contact me. I invite you to subscribe. I invite you to browse the videos. Please vote. Thank you very much.